Hi everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial. This time I will show you how to crochet such a beautiful knit stitch. Yes, you heard right, it's not a knit version, it's a crochet version, and I will show you how to crochet this. So this is our hand-dyed Woolpedia Merino Elegance yarn. It's color Baroness, and this type of stitch is great for baskets or for beanies or for hats. And you're going to use a thinner hook than you usually use. So for this yarn, I use usually 3 or 3.5 millimeters. And I would recommend for this stitch to go 1 millimeter lower so that you use a thinner hook size. And you will need this to go through your stitches. So the base are single crochets. So you start however you want to start your project. The crochet style is just the same, and your base is single crochets or are single crochets. And what we're going to do, we're not going through the stitches like usual, so we're not going to stitch through here or through here. We are going to stitch through this V of a stitch, and you stitch through and then pull up your loop and make sure to crochet very loose, otherwise you won't be able to stitch through your stitches. So you're going not through the usual stitch, you're going through this V and pull up your loop and crochet. Make sure to crochet very loose. Yeah, that's it. That's the magic. It's all single crochets, but just insert your hook on the other place. That's it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Until next time.